Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. I hope you are doing good. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get latest updates. So, I have this image from Google. Now, I'll use pen tool to create lines to make a shape of face. I'll create only half side, which will be left side of the face. After creating the shape of face, I'll create curves inside the shape, keeping in mind to give it a deer look. I'll also lock every layer by pressing Ctrl+2. After completing the face, I'll create the shape of horn and make curves inside it. Now I'll copy and reflect the left side and adjust it. I hope you like this design process. In comment section, you can suggest me anything to design a logo for. I'll create a design process on that. Thank you.